Welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're testing your vocabulary with a fun word power quiz, 40 MCQs designed to challenge your word skills. Ready to find out how strong your word power really is? Let's dive in. 1. What does sycophant mean? Follower. Tips: sycophant is someone who flatters to gain favor. 2. What is the meaning of procrastinate? Delay. Tips: procrastinate means to delay doing something. 3. What does ubiquitous mean? Present everywhere. Tips: ubiquitous means something that is everywhere. 4. What is the meaning of trivial? Insignificant. Tips: trivial means something of little importance. 5. What does nefarious mean? Evil. Tips: nefarious refers to something wicked. 6. What does euphoria mean? Happiness. Tips: euphoria is a feeling of intense happiness. 7. What is the meaning of diligent? Hardworking. Tips: diligent means showing care and effort in work. 8. What does ephemeral mean? Temporary. Tips: ephemeral means lasting a short time. 9. What is the synonym of futile? Useless. Tips: futile means pointless or ineffective. 10. What does impeccable mean? Perfect. Tips: impeccable means flawless or without fault. 11. What is the meaning of nostalgia? Longing for the past. Tips: nostalgia is a longing for the past. 12. What does fortuitous mean? Happening by chance. Tips: fortuitous refers to something lucky by chance. 13. What is the meaning of brevity? Conciseness. Tips: brevity means being brief and concise. 14. What does taciturn mean? Quiet. Tips: taciturn describes someone who is habitually silent. 15th. What is the meaning of juxtapose? Compare. Tips: juxtapose means to place side by side for comparison. 16. What does audible mean? Capable of being heard. Tips: audible means something that can be heard. 17. What does benevolent mean? Kind-hearted. Tips: benevolent describes someone kind and charitable. 18. What does elusive mean? Hard to grasp or define. Tips: elusive means hard to catch or define. 19. What does meticulous mean? Very detailed and careful. Tips: meticulous means paying attention to detail. 20. What does versatile mean? Able to adapt to many different functions. Tips: versatile describes something that can do many things. 21. What does loquacious mean? Talkative. Tips: loquacious describes someone who talks a lot. 22. What does ephemeral mean? Lasting a short time. Tips: ephemeral means something that doesn't last long. 23. What does vivid mean? Bright, clear, or strong in appearance. Tips: vivid means very clear and lively. 24. What does cursory mean? Quick and without attention to detail. Tips: cursory describes a quick, careless look. 25. What does metamorphosis mean? A complete change in form or appearance. Tips: metamorphosis refers to a significant change. 26. What does capricious mean? Changeable and unpredictable. Tips: capricious describes something unpredictable. 27. What does jovial mean? Cheerful and good-natured. Tips: jovial describes someone cheerful and happy. 28. What does affable mean? Friendly and pleasant. Tips: affable describes someone easy to talk to. 29. What does acumen mean? Sharpness or keenness of mind. Tips: acumen means keen insight or judgment. 30. What does empathy mean? Understanding and sharing someone's feelings. Tips: empathy is understanding another's feelings. 31. What does pristine mean? Clean and untouched. Tips: pristine means in an original, clean state. 32. What does incessant mean? Continuing without interruption. Tips: incessant means something that doesn't stop. 33. What does obscure mean? Unknown or hard to understand. Tips: obscure means something hard to see or understand. 34. What does resilient mean? Able to recover quickly from difficulties. Tips: resilient means able to recover from challenges. 35. What does transient mean? Temporary, lasting for a short time. Tips: transient means something that doesn't last long. 36. What does euphoric mean? Extremely happy or elated. Tips: euphoric describes intense happiness or joy. 37. What does surreptitious mean? Secretive or stealthy. Tips: surreptitious means done secretly. 38. What does ominous mean? Threatening or foreboding. Tips: ominous describes something predicting harm. 39. What does benevolent mean? Kind-hearted. Tips: benevolent refers to someone caring and charitable. 40. What does cogent mean? Clear and convincing. Tips: cogent describes a strong, convincing argument. How did you do? Share your score in the comments below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting English challenges. Keep boosting your vocabulary, catch you in the next one.